This is Odin's Wolf Survival, and today I have a bit of kit in that's made out of my favorite metal, which I truly despise. Anybody that knows me realizes this. This is the Grayl Titanium Edition Ultrapress water filter and purifier. Now, I'm going to say this right out of the gate. There's some people that tend to watch my videos that their rectal defilate will snap shut hard enough to snap a needle off when they hear the price on this thing. That's okay. This isn't probably made for you. But this is a review of this product. I like the Grayl filters. They tend to work in areas where you would have bad problems if you didn't use it. Okay, now saying that, this runs in at just shy of $200. Ain't nothing cheap anymore. That's just how the world's getting. All right. What it is, this is 16 point, well, let's see, 300 presses it'll press through, which is equals 40 gallons of water. It'll press 3 liters a minute. Replaceable cartridge. It removes 99.99% the viruses, rotavirus, norovirus, hepatitis A, bacteria 99.9999%, E. coli, salmonella, and dysentery, protozoa 99.9, Giardia, cryptosporum, and amoeba. It filters particulates, microplastics, sediment, silt, chemicals, PFAs, chlorine, chloroform, heavy metals, lead, arsenic, chromium. This says it's drink mix ready, which I don't know, I tend not to do stuff like that. Technical specs: 16.9 fluid ounce, half a liter. Weight is 14.1 ounce, 400 grams. Height is 9.5 inches, 24.13 centimeters. Outside diameter, 2.75 inches, 6.985, just shy of 7 centimeters. Cartridge lifespan, 300 presses, 150 liters, 40 gallons. The housing material is titanium. Fast flow rate, 10 seconds per fill, which is 16.9 fluid ounces. Technology, it's electroabsorption, high powdered activated carbon. Best use, backpacking, camp, survival, travel. If you're going into a country that you know that you don't dare drink the water, this is probably a good thing to take. All right, this is what, we'll pull it out of the box, see what we got. Come in the filter. We have quick start guide, Grayl stickers, drink mix ready, quick start guide. All right, all this should be fairly self-explanatory. Let's take this out and snatch the filter out and see what we got. Now, me personally, this bag, I would use it when I was filling to stop sticks, twigs. You could pull it over the opening along with a handkerchief, which will make your filter last much longer. Okay, you got a handle, movable handle, which is kind of nice. No retention on the cap. Titanium with engraving, basically anodizing. Handles, which you can use this as a cup to boil, cook in, do whatever you need, but you will need a long spoon because this is fairly long. It's the length of the palm of my hand, which will tell you something. The inside is titanium. Cap, you can see. I think this uses the same filter, yep, as the Ultrapress. Which you pop this out. These things are always kind of a little pain in the butt. pull that tab out, which is almost like a little C-clip sort of thing. So you pull the tab out of the notch to replace the cartridge, and you spin it off. This thing has a heavy O-ring inside of it, which butts into here, which seals it, because you fill this up with water up to the inner line, which is right about here. Then you push this whole thing back into it. So you have a seal here, which forces the water up in through the filter and into your reservoir here. All right, so that's how you change the filter. Get it back, turn it back to the notch, push it back in. That locks the filter in place. Lid goes back on. So you fill your water, and like I said, I would recommend when you're filling this up from your source, unless it's like a tap somewhere in somewhere that the water might be sketchy. If you're doing it out of a pond, mud hole, creek, whatever, you find the cleanest water you can find it to start with. But I would pull this over it, which will keep the leaves and the sticks and the floaty crap that you can't necessarily keep out. Pull that over it. Got a covering in there. Then I would pull a handkerchief or something over the top of that, or the other way around, doesn't matter. Might be a trick to get this over a handkerchief because it's fairly closely made. So you hold that over it. You fill it up, allow it to fill up with water, and fill it up to this fill line that's right in here. It's right there, because you don't want it completely full, and that'll match the volume of this. Press this into it, start pushing down, loosen your cap so the air can get out of the inside, because if you don't, you'll blow seals if you can get it down that way. Push it down, it'll fill this inner cap up. At that point, the water in here is ready to be drank. It's ready to go. You can do whatever. You can pour it into another bigger container and continue to do this until you get the volume of water that you need, or you can just carry this along. Once you got that sealed up, that bottom doesn't come off that easy. You can pull it off, and you could push it down in there, but it starts tightening up real fast. So if you loosen this, I think you can hear it. You can hear the air coming out. You can feel the air coming out. But that's all there is to this. Pretty simple design, pretty handy. And it's titanium. It's got a little carry hook with it right here, which if you're going to carry this on a pack, I wouldn't carry it by this, because this could possibly come off. I would hook a 550 cord, pull it through a ring, something in here, hook that to your pack, hook that to your belt, whatever you want to carry that on is how I would tend to carry it. Personally, I would fit this inside of a bag of its own. That was me personally. I'd fit it inside of this, and then inside of a bag that I would certainly make for this, because this is very, very nice. This is one of the nicer filters. They claim it's the first titanium water filter, which is probably correct. Gotta love that titanium, but anymore, it isn't getting any cheaper. So your wallet will feel rather violated by the time you get done buying this. But all it has to do is just once keep a viral infection away from you, and it more than pays for itself, because a hospital stay costs far more than this ever will. Even a doctor trip anymore costs more than that will. But this is the Grayl filter. The titanium Ultrapress. Nice bit of kit. It's not a cheap one, but it's a nice bit of kit. This is Odin's Wolf Survival. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, and share the video. It helps me out greatly.